Hello, welcome back to another entrepreneur training section. In this section, we'll be talking about pineapple oil. Pineapple oil is a very good oil for the skin. So, how to prepare pineapple oil is our focus for this training. But before I go further, please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're yet to do so. And also, please follow us on Facebook if you're yet to do so. So, pineapple oil, we need our pineapple. So I just rinsed it to get the real juice, the pineapple itself. So the pineapple is a little bit watery, so we dry it a little. You can dry it making use of sun. You can do oven drying. Use hydrator to dry it. So I'm drying it with my oven, putting it in the oven to dry a little bit. So after drying, I fetch my pineapples. I put it in a container. So after doing that, I will add my coconut oil to it. So coconut oil is a base oil. You can use any other oil like olive oil. But in my own production, I am adding orange oil also to it. I want to produce pineapple and orange oil. So in your production, if you just need pineapple oil, you don't need to add the orange peels into it. So just add your coconut oil or your olive oil and keep this. You can leave this for days as much as possible. You can leave it for up to a month. Allow the nutrients of our pineapple to get into the oil, then separate the oil away from the pineapple. So that's it on how to produce pineapple oil. So thank you very much. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're yet to do so, and also follow us on Facebook if you're yet to do so. My name remains Prince Yemi Kasali. Thank you.